Aditya Patsarthi. I work at MediBuddy as the Senior Director for the Pharmacy Division. I've been here for about 2 years now. When I started, we were doing about 1,000 orders a day. Today we do about 30,000 orders a day. So we've achieved significant scale over time, and our aim is to reach 1 lakh customers a day. So that's what we're working towards today. So we have corporate customers, out of which we cater to roughly 300 corporates in the pharmacy division itself, and we also cater to B2C, which is directly to the customer, where the customer can come on board and order the medicines directly. For retail customers, it's a fairly simple transaction, but in terms of corporate, what we do is we enable the benefits that they are eligible for. Initially, when we started off, it was an add-on process, right? We were focusing more on consults, more on lab tests and everything. So what we did was we added pharmacy as an added benefit, because every doctor is 70% likely to prescribe a medicine, right? So we had demand being generated in-house by our own doctors. So we wanted to start a service that can cater to it as well. So when we started with a third party, wherein we give the leads to a third party about what medicines are required and this is the prescription, and they used to deliver it for us. There's a lot of customer touch points that was away from our system. So we onboarded a doctor team to specifically do only prescription validations, and we onboarded a pharmacist team to only do customer calling, quantity confirmation and all of that, right? So today we have about 50 doctors who do this for us on a day-to-day basis, 50 active doctors, and we have a huge list of pharmacists in our team. So there are multiple things that we've built in-house now, and as a result, right now we've seen about a 10 to 15% improvement in our fulfillment numbers, and in addition to that, the customer satisfaction scores, that has also improved by about 20% today. We introduced 2 new features. One is search and add to cart, where the customers can themselves search the medicines and add to cart. But in addition to that, what we also realized was we did an analysis on what type of medicines the customers are buying, right? From that, we got to know that there are certain customers who buy the same medicines every month. We devised a solution called a refill. So it's like a simple subscription feature which we launched for our customers, which I think today MediBuddy is the only platform which does it. At least 40% of our users are using this feature now. Right now we are thinking about new features like suggesting substitute medicines in case it's not available in the market, right? That's one of the features we're working towards. And secondly, we want to also understand what the customers are buying, and then seeing if we can ensure that we put some data science behind it, ensure there is sufficient stock in the market, at particular pin code. If you're getting a very high demand, how do we predict that data, predict that demand, and then ensure that our suppliers have it, right? So there's a lot of work going into our artificial intelligence team to ensure the customer's need is always satisfied. While it is a startup space, and while I have a lot of things to do here, also the purpose of what kind of business you're involved in and what is the end customer getting out of it. So the level of ownership that comes with it, right, comes with working in a healthcare industry is completely different. I don't think it can be replicated in any other industry. So that way, it's a very serious job we're doing, and the sense of pride or the sense of belonging that we have with our customers is a much deeper connect. So I think that way it's a very enriching experience.